In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add colors in Squarespace website. If you want to refresh the look of your site or better match your brand, Squarespace makes color changes fairly simple once you know where to go. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to access your site colors and update your palette in just a few clicks. To begin, go to your website inside Squarespace. Once you're in the site editor, look toward the top right corner and click the paintbrush icon. This is where Squarespace keeps your design settings, including the color options for your site. If you've never used this panel before, think of it as the main place where you can control the overall visual style of your website. After opening that section, select it and then click the color swatches. This will take you into the area where your current site palette is displayed. Here you can see the colors that are already being used across different parts of your website. This is helpful because it gives you a quick overview of the existing design system before making any updates. Next, click Edit Palette. This is the option you'll use if you want to make changes to the colors currently available in that palette. One important thing to understand is that Squarespace does not simply let you add an extra color into the palette without changing something else. Instead, you'll need to replace one of the existing colors with a new one. So at this point, click on the color you want to replace. Choose carefully, especially if that color appears in multiple places throughout the site. Then enter your new color. You can paste in a color value if you already have one, or select the shade you want using the available color picker, depending on how you prefer to work. As soon as you replace that color, Squarespace will automatically update every area of the site that was using the original color. This is very convenient because it saves time, but it also means you should review your pages afterward to make sure the new color still looks good everywhere it appears. A small change in the palette can sometimes affect buttons, backgrounds, text accents, or other design elements across the site, and that's all. That's how to add colors in Squarespace by editing your existing palette and replacing a color with a new one. Once you understand this process, it becomes much easier to keep your website visually consistent and aligned with your brand style.